Hello guys, we're back again with the white Veloster. I'll show you guys in a video me putting it back together. When I started, it starts everything good, but it's leaking coolant on the water pump. So I'm gonna be showing you what I'm gonna be doing. And usually on this type of engines or motors, not only Hyundai, it's almost all the cars, they're coming with the cheap metal. So all the time that you put a screw and you keep screwing it or coming back and forward, it keeps happening that basically the thread is gone. That's what happened on this one. So I'm gonna be fixing it and trying to see if it works. This is what it's doing. It's basically spinning. It's only this one, all of this, they're working perfectly. That's it right. In this situation, the hole is too big already. I'm gonna have to make a bigger hole now. So I thought my problem, it was the water pump, but it seems it's a seal over here. So this is another project. Alright guys, well, I'll show the good and the bad. Alright guys, see you in the next one. I need to remove all this again. I'm trying to fix that problem.